We know when to have fun, we know when to smell the roses, but on a Monday morning at 8 a.m., the serious job starts. I have no reference point. I never worked in any company or organization in the past. Growing up on Moria, you don't meet a lot of entrepreneurs, so I needed to learn by doing. I was really fortunate to surround myself with amazing people that are better than me in many different fields, learning a lot from them and together aligning on the vision and what we want to achieve.
To restore coral reefs, we identified colonies that are really big. If it's old, that means it had survived the last bleaching event. If it has survived, we have a good reason to think that in the future it will survive again. We'd collect no more than 10% of the colony.
We fragment them and place them into coral nurseries that we have all around the island.
We monitor them so we know which one do well and which one don't.
And when they are arriving to adult size, like 12, 18 months, depending on the species, you can choose the fragments and plant them back onto the damaged reef and let them grow.
Which has grown. To measure success on the restoration side, we're looking at the growth of coral and the coral coverage to see if it's shifted.
The result is just amazing.
Also, we don't have much fish and invertebrate, so if these guys come back, that's our success.
Now we have about 10,000 corals growing underwater, and we planted over 28,000 corals this past 5 years.
We do a lot of things in the water. Every day we see that with the restoration team. But nothing will exist if we don't make sure that the message is spread all around the world on social media. We try to humbly document what they are doing every day to make things look sexy and cool and attractive, but especially for the young generation, because they are really the future and we want them to take care of the oceans and the earth. We reached 200 million people on social media in 5 years.
It's really about how we can make reef restoration as vibrant and impactful as it should be. So we want to prove that change can also come from little islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean and that we have the knowledge and we have the energy to make it happen.
Vous avez trouvé des coraux? We proved the last couple of years that you can accomplish almost anything. And it's because of our culture, our DNA, and how we get the job done.